Hello, dosto. I am here to share some do's and don'ts in the examination hall. As if you are having your first attempt in December 2018, then there must be some points which you are not aware about. So, let's start. So, the first thing is that you have to reach the examination hall at least half an hour before the exam time. Like if you have your exam at 2 p.m., then you must reach there by 1:30, as you will get the exam question paper at 1:45 p.m. So you could take a quick glance on the question paper or about the question paper and get to know that on which question you are 100% sure and in what sequence you will be doing it. Okay, now I am adding one more point here, that there is no need to solve the question paper in sequence. Yes, you could start with any question first, but remember one thing, that always start with that question in which you are 100% sure, as it will impress the evaluator. Okay, so if you have a doubt in any question, then do it in the last or in the middle of the sheet, as if you will be doing it on the first page, then it may cause a negative impact on the evaluator's mind. So mind this thing, जो भी आपको क्वेश्चन करना है वो जिसमें आप 100% श्योर हैं वही क्वेश्चन आप सबसे पहले करें. ओके. Another thing is that always take two calculators, two pencils, two pen, two rubbers, or etc. Take everything two with yourself, as these type of calculators are Chinese calculators, and if it get dropped, so it will not get on again. Okay, so you may be tensed about it, that what you will do now. So always take two calculators with you, क्योंकि ये चाइनीज कैलकुलेटर हैं, तो अगर ये गलती से भी आपका गिर जाता है या बिना गिरे भी कई बार बंद हो जाता है, तो आपको बहुत टेंशन हो जाएगी कि आप अब पेपर कैसे करेंगे. तो इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ कि हमेशा अपने साथ दो कैलकुलेटर रखें, दो पेंसिल रखें, एंड टेक एवरीथिंग टू विद योरसेल्फ. ओके. And always take Aadhaar card or PAN card with your admit card, as it is mandatory and it is mentioned in the admit card that you must take an identity proof, which can be Aadhaar card or PAN card. Okay. Another and one of the most important thing is that if your balance sheet does not tally, then don't try to deceive the evaluator by matching it. Yes, as it may cause a negative impact. So if your balance sheet does not tally, then leave it as it is. Just leave it. Don't try to deceive the evaluator. Okay? And try to solve your question paper according to time. Like it is given that you could solve your question paper by giving 1.8 minutes per question. So if your question is of 12 marks, okay, then you can solve it in 1.8 into 12, 21 or 20 minutes. Okay, don't give more than 20 minutes in a 12-mark question. Okay, and always write assumptions wherever needed. Don't forget to write assumptions. Like if you are not getting that what is question is trying to say, then give assumption that I am assuming that it is given in the question, but don't do that in every question. Okay, it is for some questions only. Like in law subject you could do this, and direct text there is always an assumption in every case. And always write currency like rupees. Okay, narrations in journal entries. Narrations are very important. All these small things matters. You could get your marks deducted because of these small things. So please mind these things while doing your exam paper. Like if you are solving a marginal costing question, then you have to write sales minus variable cost. Don't write like this, S minus VC. Okay, and always write currency on the top of the table, or like you can write rupees this, rupees this. So do the questions in this manner. So these are some of the things which you have to remember in the examination hall. And you all know that we have done 3 months hard work, 4 months hard work, or 6 months hard work. Okay, so don't leave the examination hall before the time, that is before 5 p.m. ये मत करना कि आप 3 बजे उठकर वहाँ से चले गए. एटलीस्ट if you are not getting anything in the exam, then try to write something, at least something. You never know what could happen. Okay, don't leave the examination hall before the time. इतने साल, इतने महीनों की मेहनत आपकी वेस्ट हो जाएगी, क्योंकि वो जो 3 घंटे हैं वो आपकी ज़िंदगी के बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट हैं. सो do your paper till 5 p.m. and if you are not sure about the questions, so write whatever you are finding similar to it. Okay. And another thing is that from my experience I am saying that there is at least one question paper which comes always hard. It could be any paper. Like I have given my first group in June 2018, and our financial accounting paper is a little bit difficult, and it contains a question of syllabus 2012 also. But mind that there will be lenient marking in that hard paper, as I am also uh, got demoralized after doing that financial accounting paper, and I wasn't sure about my law exam that how I will do that. But you will never know that it was a very easy paper of law in June 2018. So ये जो एक आपका हार्ड पेपर आता है, ये सिर्फ आपके कॉन्फिडेंस को डाउन करने के लिए आता है. बट अगर कोई भी जो हार्ड पेपर आ रहा है, आप उसको ये समझें कि अब अच्छा हुआ कि हार्ड पेपर हो गया है, अब आपको टेंशन लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, अब जो बाकी पेपर होंगे वो इजी आएंगे. ठीक है, तो उसमें आप हार्ड पेपर में कुछ भी करके आइए, आपके एटलीस्ट 40 तो सिक्योर होंगे ही होंगे. सो दिस आर द थिंग्स विच आई वॉन्ट टू शेयर विद यू. So, if you find the video useful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. And also press the bell icon for getting notifications of the latest updates. Thank you and all the best for December 2018 exams.